मैं खुशकिस्मत हूँ कि मैं उन लोगों के साथ जुड़ा, मेरे रिश्ते उन लोगों के साथ बने, जो लोग ज़माने के लिए बहुत कुछ करके चले गए। जिनको गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया ने, जिनको आंध्रा गवर्नमेंट ने बहुत प्यार दिया, और भी पता नहीं क्या-क्या, मेरे को बहुत ज़्यादा नॉलेज नहीं है। और ये जो भी चल रहा है, जो भी है, ये देखिए प्रदर्शनी चल रही है। कोई फंडिंग कर रहा है, कोई कुछ कर रहा है। ये जो मेरे इन लॉ हैं, हु इज़ नो मोर, आई विल शो हिज फेस टू यू। ये है वो। इन्होंने बहुत इंस्पायरेशन दिया, गांव-गांव जाके पूरी ज़िंदगी इन्होंने अपनी लगाई। आप देखिए उनके जज्बात आज भी। शी इज़ माई डॉटर इन लॉ, दिव्या। शी इज़ दिव्या एंड आई हैव वन ग्रैंडसन and my boy is here only. And this, अरे यार, this, you are giving me 3 minutes, okay, 3 minutes. हाँ, now you tell me your good name.
Sudhanshu Hegde.
Sudhanshu Hegde. You are basically from?
I'm from Honavar, the coastal Karnataka.
अच्छा, why you are doing all this?
Okay, I'm part of Dakni Diaries. So when I was in Belgaum, the Gopiji, he asked me what I am doing. So I told him that I'm a wildlife photographer. So then he saw my works and we spotted a bird called Drongo. This bird was following a sheep's herd. So I got curious why it's following sheep. Then I went and I did my research. So it found out that these birds are very smart, and they found out that when sheep moves, it scares the insects on the ground and they jumps off. So Drongo can easily pick up that insect, which is Drongo's favorite food. So they follow the sheep's herds wherever they go.
You generate money out of it as a freelancer?
Not on this, actually, not for this show, but yeah, the Living Lightly is making this contract with me.
What is your age?
My age is 30.
What is your education?
I studied BFA, Bachelor of Fine Arts.
And do you think that you will generate your money for your livelihood from all these things?
Yes.
You're very much confident.
Yes, it will be a little bit difficult, but yeah, right now I am managing. I'm sure that I'll reach.
Why I am taking your interview? Because you will be inspiration to those boys, to those girls. I will give your number on this video, so that they will contact you. That if they are doing this forestry.
Forestry conservation
And all that, studying wildlife, they will generate money as a freelancer.
Yeah, it is a little bit difficult, but if they have that much guts, dedication, they can do it.
See, if you are working in any industry or with any business, they need minimum 3-year time to generate the money.
Yeah.
And if they are putting their 3-year, 4-year, 5-year in forest.
Yeah, for wildlife photography,
they will certainly generate the money.
Yeah, it is possible, but everyone needs to support these things in India. That's what I feel. Everyone needs to recognize this and push the kids, and parents also push the kids to do these things. And we need to create this culture of embracing the art, wildlife.
You tell something to newcomers who are always complain that we are having no job. This should be the willpower. This should be the decision of every boy and the girl who have finished their studies. You guide them that how they can make livelihood out of what you are doing.
Yes. So certainly there is job loss in India, but the thing is, if everyone going to study the same thing, there is going to be a problem. So find your own interest. We are different, right? Each and every person is different. What we are doing is we are studying only one thing. That is not right. Same course, same things. Find your interest and work on it. That's way the problem can be solved, and it would be good for the country too.
This is right word, na? If anybody and everybody will complain, the solution will be nowhere.
Yeah, true.
What interest, what hobby you are having, you generate money through that ideas.
Yes.
That must be unique ideas.
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much today, and I hope we will remain in touch. You will be a good inspiration for newcomers.
Thank you. Yeah, it's nice to talk.
Namaste and Ram Ram.
Namaste.
I hope you will never say hi, you will never say good morning and bye, you will say always Ram Ram ji.
Whatever in Kannada or maybe.
Ha, Kannada, what you will say?
Namaskara.
Namaskara. I love Kannada.